dali daw. Kamerahay ko daw. It's amazing. Hindi na po na mahal. Isulod na po na niya sa rep. Dong, no? Hi. I'm still cooking. Cooking. I go vlog. Oh, pero maka-views mga dagat. Cook something food for my mom and for my son. I cook outside because it's dark outside. Although some ampalaya is full of nutrients. Ampalaya with egg. This will cook when you get here. Oh. I'm good. Smells good. Yummy. I put in egg. Wait, I will get some egg. Oh my god, the water is... That's where that's hot. The spices are here. And then we put a little the taste and water. Put some salt. Just cooking for this healthy food for my mother. This will be cooked a minute. Stir and stir and stir. I'll get to fix something. I'll be back in a minute. Back. That's good. I'll be going this for overcook because my mother is no teeth. No teeth. Hi Sir George. Can you send me super chat, guys? Super chat while I'm cooking. Guys,